So really the number one element in protecting critical infrastructure is which sectors are really well-resourced, both human resourced as well as financial resources, to ensure the resiliency of their operations, and which sectors lack those resources for a variety of reasons, to even be cognizant of the threat. So it is really uneven across all the sectors, and that presents a challenge of what capabilities and services does the federal government provide so that we could bring everybody's resilience up to an acceptable and above level.
Industrial control systems are uniquely vulnerable because they have a design lifetime of 30 to 40 years. So just imagine that. The systems that are operating our power grid were manufactured before the internet even really existed. And now we're taking them and we're connecting them to the internet. They were never designed for that scenario. There are no software patches that we can use to fix cyber vulnerabilities in them. And so these legacy products make it much more difficult to secure these systems than a traditional modern computer network. Secondarily, many of the organizations that operate critical infrastructure just don't have the capacity to deal with cybersecurity issues. Think about a water pump, for example, in a municipal area in the Midwest, where you've got one person working part-time on a volunteer basis to manage that water pump for the town. There is no CIO, there's no CISO, there's no director of cybersecurity, there's no threat hunting team. They don't have a whole team of cybersecurity experts to help manage the cybersecurity for that one water pump. They've got one person working part-time on behalf of the town. And so there just isn't the capacity to think through and deal with large-scale cyber threats.
So they don't have a lot of discretionary resources to make sure that their vulnerabilities are addressed and addressed in a timely fashion, or even awareness of the vulnerabilities that may undermine their operation.